If you have issues with Hotspot not working properly on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, then in that case you want to go to Settings. Next, you should be able to find the Portable Hotspot option in here. If not, then go to More Connectivity Options and you will find it here at the top. And we're gonna go ahead and just proceed to the hotspot settings. And the first thing that we can do is check if you have the support 6th generation standard enabled. This can be the reason why the hotspot cannot be found on another device or another device cannot connect to the hotspot. Simply because that other device might not support 6th generation, so there is incompatibility. Besides that, if your hotspot turns off too quickly when no one is connected, then of course you can disable this option, turn off hotspot automatically. Usually the hotspot is deactivated after 10 minutes if no other device is connected. If you need more time, then of course you can turn it off, but remember to turn off the hotspot later on when you actually don't need to share the internet. Besides that, we have one data limit, which can also be the reason why you might have some issues with the hotspot. So you might have set up the data limit for your hotspot, and and this can be the reason why other devices might have issues with the connection. So you might want to increase the limit or turn it off completely. Now, besides that, if on another device your hotspot cannot be found, you can also generate this QR code. So if that other device is capable of scanning Wi-Fi QR codes, then of course this is what we can do. And it might be just much easier to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot. Of course, we can also go to set up portable hotspot, and we can change the password and change the name of the hotspot to something easier to enter in case the password is too complicated for some reason. And also we have the hide SSID, which we can turn off. The device identification by default is set to portable hotspot. So if you have it like this as well and you still have issues with the hotspot, you might want to switch to default. And that should be pretty much it. Of course, I can also recommend you simply disabling and re-enabling hotspot. Sometimes this simple thing can solve so many issues, actually. So keep that in mind. And also, just a slight reminder that you want to make sure that you actually do have access to the internet as well. So you want to check your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Because if you don't have access to the internet, if you have poor connection, then another device that uses your hotspot will also have a poor connection. So, keep that in mind. And that should be pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.